Hello there, today I'm going to draw a cute T-Rex and these are the colors that I will be using. Okay, so we're going to start with the head. We're going to draw one line across and then bring it down and then across again. It's a little curved line like that, okay? All right, so now from here, let's just draw two little bumps at the top and we're going to bring the line all the way down and then up for the tail and then down again. Let's stop at this point. Okay, now I'm going to continue with the mouth. I'm going to draw one line down here and then back up, and then for the part of the body, so the neck, we're going to bring it down. I'm going to stop here and draw the little arms, 1, 2, 3 little sharp claws there. That's one. And then the other arm, 1, 2, 3, just little points here for the arms. Okay. All right, so now we're going to continue this line, go down. We're going to stop here and we're going to draw the leg, which will be curved just like that, and then just little sharp points, 3 points, and then we're gonna bring it back up. Okay, and then we're going to draw the other part of the body to connect the line to the tail. Okay, so we need the other leg. So one line here, and then again, the little points, 1, 2, 3, and then just connect it back up. I'm gonna draw the eye. So I'm going to draw it at this point here, a circle, and I'm going to shade in the pupil. Okay, so the T-Rex, they have sharp teeth. So I'm going to draw some little triangles here with little points, okay? And the nose. So just 2 little circles here for the nose. And we're going to draw some of the scales, and they're going to be like triangles. Upside down triangles all along the body, all the way up to the tail. Okay. All right, so now let's color our T-Rex. Okay, so I'm going to start off by using green, and I'm just going to color around it. All right, so dinosaurs roamed the planet 65 million years ago. The Tyrannosaurusrex, it comes from the Greek and Latin words that mean tyrant, lizard king. So they can grow up to 12 meters long and 6 meters tall. They're carnivores, so they would eat other animals, even other dinosaurs as well. They have powerful jaws. They have about 60 teeth, and they have the most powerful bite. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to continue to go around my T-Rex with the green, where the scales are. The T-Rex is really smart. Their brain is twice as big as other dinosaurs, and they can run very fast as well. Okay, I'm gonna blend in different shades of green. Okay. So they're tiny clawed arms right here. They were used to grab their prey. The T-Rex has great vision. Their eyes are actually the size of grapefruits. They have great, excellent sense of smell. So it would help it to find food. I'm also going to blend it with some yellow just to brighten up our T-Rex. So I'm going to use this color, and I'm just going to go all around it as well. Okay. So the first bone was discovered in 1902 in Montana. Okay, so the skeleton of the T-Rex is on display in the museum. Okay, so I'm just going to continue to go around it. And I like to use my little pale pink. I'm gonna highlight the face as well. The little teeth here. Okay, and I'm just gonna color around it. And just a little bit of silver just to give it a little bit of some shadow, a little bit of a three-dimensional shape. Okay, so I have a cute little joke for you, and it goes like this. What do you call a dinosaur wearing a cowboy hat and boots? I'm going to give you a few seconds to think about it. A Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Roar, stomp, stomp. Bye-bye.